It's got to be the employees. Definitely love working with the employees. Great atmosphere. Yeah, we definitely act a lot like a family for sure. You know, if anytime I have a question or whatever, I can go to any of the other employees and say, well, hey, I got a question about this roof. I mean, what would you do here? This design here, I don't feel it's quite right. You know, can you help me out? Just always there for each other. If you're gonna go get sushi at Hajime, it's my favorite. Hajime and Blaine and Hajime and Elk River, I just love sushi. So that's number one. Been doing a lot of mountain biking lately, getting out on the single track trails and just riding in the dirt and, you know, being able just to focus on every turn and just kind of escape everyday life that way. And at the same time, I'm also started getting into trail running, and that's kind of the opposite, where the mind just can kind of flow and wander and kind of empty itself out. So those are my two biggest passions lately. Hoffman Weber Construction is an exterior remodeling company. So we help design exterior homes with siding, roofing, windows, and gutters. But to me, it has more to do with the design, changing that curb appeal of the house. To me, a consultant means that I'm trying to get to the heart of the issue that a customer has, and at the same time, you know, getting down to the really kind of the bones and the meat of really what they're after, you know, in that process. And I feel like having to ask many questions to get to really what they're looking for, because oftentimes people haven't thought it all the way through, and by asking more questions, you actually get to really what they're looking for. You know, it's just about, you know, improving, you know, people's lives, and do that by, you know, giving them a place. There's a sanctuary they call home, and part of that's the exterior of the house, and that's what we do here. Seeing them afterwards and saying, hey, that's exactly how we planned it, we love it, you know, thanks for taking the time and sticking with us, and, you know, you really nailed what we were hoping to get out of our house.